Hello guys! I would like to introduce our team. The video is Law of 3 Newton. My name is Salis Afidan. Number student is 100. And then next, my name is Devi Ilmianti. My number student 112.
My name is Ivan Kusuma. My number student is 94. My name is Khairul Tariku. My number of student is 111.
Some force result from contact interaction, normal, frictional, tensional, and applied force. An example of contact force and other force, the result of action at a distant interaction. According to Newton, whenever object A and B interaction with each other, they exert force upon each other. When you sit in your chair, your body exerts a downward force on the chair and the chair exerts an upward force on your body. There are two forces resulting from this interaction, a force on the chair and a force on your body. These two forces are called action and reaction force and the subjects of Newton's third law of motion.
And the next step is a work step. Work step in this experiment law 3 Newton. The first is want to hit the wall weakly, then what do you feel? And the second one hits the wall stronger, and then what do you feel? With weakly, can you feel does not hurt? And then when you hit the wall with hardly, then can you feel with hard?
If the first thing of the force on the second object, the second object will work the force on the first thing of the same size, but in the opposite direction.
We get an equation about law of 3 Newton, that is F action equal minus F reaction. F action is a force acting on an object, then the object will give a force equal to the opposite direction called F reaction.
A bicycle. Have you ever wondered why a bicycle moves forward? Well, it moves according to Newton's third law, which says that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. To understand this, see what happens when you drop a tennis ball. As the tennis ball hits the floor, it causes a downward force on the floor. This is the action. The floor reacts by pushing on the ball with the same force, but in the opposite direction. Action, reaction. Together, the floor and the ball form what's called the action-reaction pair. So now how it applies to your bicycle. When you push the pedal, the parts of the tire which touch the ground push it backwards. The ground also pushes the tires forward with the same force. So the parts of tires and earth form a pair of action and reaction. So what happens to the earth when your tires are applying force to push it backwards? Nothing happens to it, since the earth is very big as compared to your bicycle. The force applied by your tires does not move it backwards, but force applied by the earth pushes your bicycle forward. So now you understand Newton's third law. Yep, the tennis ball is the right example. The ball and the floor are creating a pair of action and reaction.
Okay, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget subscribe, links, comment and subscribe. Enjoy this video.